I've opened up the valve covers on the number 1 cylinder. See if I can get you in there enough to see any movement. See them in here? Yep. Let's see if I can zoom you in. Seemed to be a lot of oil in there when I opened them up, especially the intake. I was thinking at first that maybe everything was dry. So I'm going to roll it over now and we're going to see if they move. Okay. Yep, the valves are moving. So it's got to be either the rod, the connected rod, the wrist pin, or the piston deep inside number 1. And there's my disaster. So, motor's got to come out. Oh, wrong way. Let's go there. So I'm going to put it away. Start the oil draining. And then I got a weed eater to fix tonight. See ya.